Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Welcome to an EVS Home School. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal English Nursery School, Morning Shift. Today I'm going to take an Islamic Studies class for class Nursery, and our today's topic is Tanween with double Jabar from Alif to Ya. And my dear students, we have already learned Tanween with double Jabar from Alif to Ya, and today is our revised class. And my dear students, today is our lecture number 8 and SW number 8. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will again memorize Tanween with double Jabar. Tanween with double Jabar. Arabic alphabet Tanween with double Jabar. So my dear students, let's start at first look at the board. My dear students, we have already learned Tanween with double Jabar, Arabic alphabet Tanween with double Jabar from Alif to Ya. We have already learned, my dear students. Now today we will again learn. That means today is our revised class. Now we will again learn Tanween with double Jabar from Alif to Ya. So my dear students, let's start. My dear students, here I have written 29 Arabic alphabets or letters with Tanween, that means with double Jabar. My dear students, you know that double Jabar, double J and double Pesh are called Tanween. Okay, now my dear students, now let's start. Hamza, Dui, Jabar, An. My dear students, if Alif takes any single Jabar, single J or single Pesh or double Jabar, double J or double Pesh, then we can call that is Hamza. Now then we should call Alif then Hamza. Now in this regard we can call now Alif to Hamza. So my dear students, Hamza Dui Jabar An, then Ba Dui Jabar Ban, then Ta Dui Jabar Tan, then my dear students, Tha Dui Jabar Than. You have to pronounce this one very softly. Tha Dui Jabar Than, then Jim Dui Jabar Jan, Jim Dui Jabar Jan, then this one is Ha, Ha Dui Jabar Han, Ha Dui Jabar Han. You have to pronounce this one from the middle of the throat. Ha Dui Jabar Han. Then my dear student, this one is Kha, not Kha. Kha Dui Jabar Khan, Kha Dui Jabar Khan. Then this one is Dal, Dal Dui Jabar Dan, Dal Dui Jabar Dan. Then this one is Dal, Dal Dui Jabar Dan, Dal Dui Jabar Dan. And you have to pronounce this one also very softly, like Tha, Dal, Dal Dui Jabar Dan. Then my dear student, this one is Ra, Ra Dui Jabar Ron, Ra Dui Jabar Ron, not Ra, it is Ra. Then this one is Za, Za, the sound will be buzzing. Za Dui Jabar Zan, Za Dui Jabar Zan. Then my dear student, this one is Sin, Sin, Sin Dui Jabar San, Sin Dui Jabar San. This one is Shin, Shin has 3 drops or nukta, my dear student. Now you have to pronounce this one Shin Dui Jabar Shan, Shin Dui Jabar Shan. You have to pronounce this one like dashing sound, Shin Dui Jabar Shan. Now my dear student, this one is Sod, Sod, not Swad, Sod, 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 Sod Dui Jabar Son, Sod Dui Jabar Son. This one is Dod, Dod, Dod Dui Jabar Don, Dod Dui Jabar Don. And this one is To, my dear student, To, To, To Dui Jabar Ton, To Dui Jabar Ton. Then this one is The, The, The. My dear student, you have to pronounce this one also very softly. The Dui The, The Dui Jabar Zon, The Dui Jabar Zon. Sa, Tha, Dal and The. You have to pronounce these 3 very softly, my dear students. Then this one is Ain, Ain Dui Jabar An, Ain Dui Jabar An. You have to pronounce also this one from the middle of the throat. Ain. Then my dear student, this one is going, not guide, going. Going dui zabar gon, going dui zabar gon. Then this one is fa dui zabar fan, fa dui zabar fan. And this one is qaf, not kaf. This one is dui nokta wala qaf dui zabar qon, qaf dui zabar qon. And this one is kaf, my dear student. Maddokhane pechano kaf. And you have to pronounce this one kaf dui zabar kan, kaf dui zabar kan. This one is lam, you know that, lam dui zabar lan, lam dui zabar lan. Then this one is mim, mim dui zabar man, mim dui zabar man. This one is noon, noon dui zabar nan, noon dui zabar nan. Then this one is wow, and you have to pronounce this one wow dui zabar one, wow dui zabar one. Then this one is ha, you have to pronounce this one ha dui zabar han, ha dui zabar han. Then this one is hamza, my dear student. This one is hamza, hamza dui zabar an, hamza dui zabar an. And last one, my dear student, this one is ya, and you know that ya has 2 drops. Now you have to pronounce this one ya dui zabar yan, ya dui zabar yan. Alhamdulillah, my dear students, today we have learned Tanween with double Jabar. That means Arabic alphabet Tanween with double Jabar from Alif to Ya. And my dear students, you know that today is our SW number 18, and you will make SW at your home from Alif to Ya. From like this, from Alif to Ya in this pattern. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today, inshallah. See you again very soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.